Laws of motion. Three laws are given by Newton. First law, second law, and third law. Before starting the laws of motion, actually this chapter is related to force. Perhaps from class 6 you are in touch with the term force. What is force? Pull or push is called force. Pull or push is called force. What you see here, if I am not applying force, what happens? It remains in rest. But when I pull it, it comes in motion. Or when I push it, it comes in motion. So, force can be defined in other words as well. The force is that physical quantity when it is applied on a body like this, it brings some changes in the body or tends to change, tries to change the body. And what change may be? If body is in rest, it may come in motion, like squeezing balloon or rubber ball. It can change shape and size of the body. Even body is going in this direction and another force is applied, direction is changed. So force can change the direction of body also. This body is moving and another force is applied to stop it. So force can also stop the moving body. So these are the effects of force. So what is force? Pull or push is called force. Or in other words, how can I define force? Force is that physical quantity which may bring change in the shape and size of the body or in the state of the body. State means whether it is in rest or in motion. It can retard and slow down the motion of the body or can fasten the motion of the body or can stop the motion of the body and may bring change in the direction of the body. So force is